After being castrated, are historical eunuchs actually physically weaker than women? That's a total myth. We all know castration removes the testicles, the body's main factory for testosterone, and without testosterone, a eunuch would lose his sex drive. But that's just one of testosterone's jobs. It's also the ultimate male buff. It promotes the development of secondary male characteristics: beards, a deep voice, an Adam's apple, and crucially, it builds power. Testosterone supercharges protein synthesis, which increases muscle mass, strengthens bones, and boosts red blood cell production for better oxygen supply. It's what fuels male energy, aggression, and competitiveness. Now, if a eunuch was castrated as a child, he would lack testosterone during his development and would certainly be weaker than an average man. But weaker than a woman? Almost certainly not. His fundamental genetic source code is still male, with a Y chromosome and far more androgen receptors than a female body, giving him a higher natural strength potential. The idea that eunuchs were weak is also historically backward. The whole reason they were created in the first place was to do the heavy physical labor in palaces that the court ladies couldn't handle. Being strong was literally in the job description, and if a man was castrated as an adult, he would have already developed his full male physique, and while he'd lose some muscle, the impact on his overall strength would be limited. History is full of powerful eunuchs. The famous Chinese admiral Zheng He, who commanded massive treasure fleets, rose through the ranks as a military commander. The idea that he was weaker than a woman is absurd. In later dynasties, there were even elite martial eunuchs who acted as the emperor's special forces. But here's the most counterintuitive part. Castration could actually make them grow taller than average men. In a normal man, testosterone gets converted into estrogen at the end of puberty, which signals the growth plates in your bones to close, stopping you from growing taller. Without testosterone, that signal is delayed, allowing their bones to grow for a longer period. This created a fascinating phenomenon in old Europe with the castrati, male singers castrated as children. They grew tall, with massive chests and lung capacity, but because they lacked testosterone, their vocal cords never developed past childhood. The result was a shockingly powerful, otherworldly singing voice that could span the ranges of both male and female singers, a unique product of a strange time.